Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then let's tap on fingerprint unlock. Of course, you have to enter your current screen lock or add new one if you do not have any kind of screen lock applied. It's necessary because if not, you will not be able to add your fingerprint. Here we've got the tip which is connected with the screen protector. It means that if you are using any third-party screen protectors, they may affect the fingerprint recognition and the fingerprint sensor. So just tap on got it, and here we've got the fingerprint scanner. Simply put our finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Just like that. Okay, tap on done. And as you can see here, we've got the fingerprint unlock section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. We can change fingerprint animation, so just mark the option you like the most. Here we've got other options, so show fingerprint icon when the screen is off and low light fingerprint unlock. It's up to you which option you'd like to use or not. So now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. Here we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.